What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're going to learn how to create these Halftone effects into fully customizable styles on your site directly for free online. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After, go to Google and type Halftone Maker, okay? Go to this first result right here, and into the upper left corner of your screen, click on Load Image and select your file, okay? Select your image, just like this. And now you're going to be able to play with the image in the way that you want. If you review the right side of menus, you're going to be able to change every single part of the style in the case that you want. Just like this, for example. You can change the styles of the tiling as well, the spacing. You can rotate. You can change the color styles. Just like this. As you can see, we can fully customize every single part of the style, okay? We can even change the fingerprint and the background colors. If you review the upper corner, you can undo. You can do some masks, in the case that you want. Let me start a new one. We can also change the structures, just like this. We can do some presets, for example, changing colors. Just like this. Or like this. As you can see, we can set the options as a way that you need. You can download, in the case that you want, as SVG or as PNG. There is not even need to create an account. You can download just for free, and you can copy the PNG, just like this. There is extra features that you can explore, but I think you guys already got the idea of everything you can do into this editor, okay? And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!